Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Instagram app. Then tap on profile icon. Then all highlights. Okay, then add a new highlights. Okay, then click on new option. Okay, then all histories. Then choose your history. Okay, then select and next. Then highlights title. Okay, then add emoji, then add, then add your new highlights. Just click. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.